The topic is, what you think about spouse abusing each other? Like, man abuse woman, woman abuse man, physically, emotionally, verbally, all of them body there.
Automatically, it is not right for a spouse to abuse each other, but certain circumstances fall beyond the hands of people, because most time it's just the devil work, and sometimes I just harsh words, and if you can just rethink back sometime what we do and how we do it, then we think we would have a better Jamaica.
So you say we need to think first before we take certain action.
Yes, man. Smile, man. Take 3 steps backward, man, and cool, man. Yeah. Especially young people, they need, well, we wouldn't say need advice now, because they don't really want to take it.
Sure.
Yeah.
What you think about the woman them or the abuse, man? They don't do it physically sometimes, no, verbally, then do it, and the woman do it physically too.
Some of these women, them do the same thing, and I'm not in agreement with it either. But a lot of these men, in that case, should stand up for themselves and make sure that the woman know who are the man in the house. We're not going to stand for it, we're not going to sit for it, we're not going to support it nor condone it. It's a total no-no. No violence or decimation.
What go on with them? Woman, they take the same trend like what man used to take in the 80s and down in the 70s. And take a turn. The purpose of what a woman to do, they're not doing it again. A woman a drink rum, a smoke weed, so they get mad.
And they beat man, they beat man too.
And they beat man.
I'll show them too.
Yeah, man. So they take the trend. Because man used to drink rum and relax himself. Woman that drink rum and get vice-versa.
You feel say woman a boss gun and they murder people too?
Well, of course. Enough of them not just like man. And enough of them look like man, and walk like man and talk like man. So they want to do the action of a man. Yeah.
Alright, for instance, 2 people get together, good as one. They will fight and they will quarreling. Me and my boyfriend live for 4 years and me and him apart right now, and we part in peace. Him there yard and me there my mother yard. So all I'm saying is that to every woman and man out there, you get together, you live peaceful, you left peaceful. If the woman a cheat on you, you don't like it, find a girl. And if you have a man a cheat on you, said we find yourself one decent man then. Simple as that. We don't have to kill with one another. And the big man then, me I tell you no left the little girl pick them alone. Me I tell you no need to go find big woman and stop there with the little girl child them.
Well, you know, so I don't really support no abuse, neither from the male nor the female. But you see, most time, the male them do it. And you see, enough of the male I get to understand is that them themselves will get abused. Sometimes, during childhood, a lot of them men get abused as a child. And also, some of them get bullied in a school. And you see, they might look for this weak prey somewhere in life in order to get them revenge. And usually, the women, them take it out. Well, I don't agree with it. I condemn that totally. You know what I mean?
Well, my take on it is that we should all love each other, and if we follow God's commandment, the first commandment is love. Each one teaches, we wouldn't have this situation, because if each one teaches and love each other, because love doesn't hurt, and once it doesn't hurt, you don't hurt a one, because you can't love a one and hurt a one, you always care for it.
You have to go 50-50, alright? In a relationship, woman beat man, man beat woman. But we in a relationship, we as a spouse, not, you know if you come like my father and you know if you come like my mother. We live as one, we the as one, because we know when we going to lay down, we are laid down as one. So why we not just keep going on as one? Me wrong or me right?
You're right.
Okay.
What I think about a relationship between a man and a woman, in a relationship you have to love each other. And without love, honesty and trust, that is where you're going to get the abuse. Because we're not going to trust each other, right? And without the trust and love, you're not going to get the right relationship that you're supposed to have. Secondly, each one of us have to be honest with each other.
There's woman there now. They will stop abusing man them, man them stop abuse them to you see it. Yeah.
Yeah man, I don't know, as I say, two become one, So if you think work together, you just let it go and make it go.
Man them can't kill off the woman them still, but if you know what go on and stop abuse the man them, and man them stop abuse the woman them.
Yeah man, I said we go man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Boy, fuck off the picking them and kill off the picking them, then go dead.
All dirty rapists, boy, them will abuse the little young one, them are the future.
If you go look for them big woman, they go fuck. Respect the good woman them and respect the good man them. But the bad one, them have to go somewhere. Them a spoil the thing. Wicked.
Don't know no man.
Yes, yes.
A woman and a man we say that.
Relationship is love, it's not war. Verbally or physical.
If the two of them can't mesh, better the two of them just go on. You know, better I beat, you know.
Yes, man. A woman, what would I say though? Abuse. Even if it just send you go do things that you don't want to do. Put expense on you more than, you know what I say?
True.
So a lot is abuse said we.
See it.
Yeah.
For real.
Where you see a while ago? You see woman take up big stone lick off a man same way. Yeah, a man have to run up and down. So woman abuse man said we. That nothing happen still cause I love her. One love, you know. And if you can't live in a love, God does.
Love and hate can't be friend, you know? Joe.
You don't have to say right now.
Well, we must have beaten a woman that wrong thing. What I know in the first place? Well, all this thing coming, white fam.
The whole thing?
Yeah, the whole
Alright, to sensitize the issue so we can bring about a better Jamaica, create awareness so Jamaicans may realize that we need to rise from out a certain state of mind so we can able to elevate and move the country forward, because if the head of the stream continue to be dirty and have this type of lifestyle that has been brought down through generations of slave, up until this current generation, Jamaica will not move forward if we do not take a stand. We have to do what we can do to uplift this country. It must have stemmed from something or somewhere. So we want to tackle the issue. What you think about spouses abusing one another in a relationship?
So who you working with?
For myself.
No, I don't know comment.
You ever beat a woman?
No.
Yeah, a woman ever beat you?
No, I don't work with them kind of issue.
Repeat that.
The man don't beat me, just talk to me harsh at times. That's it.
And you don't like it?
No, I don't.
You know, so they have some woman a beat man.
Man forget lick.
Where's a woman to start beat man hard?
Yes, and cut them throat and kill them when they diss you, because if we left a man kill we. Be unfair. No man is supposed to kill we because we say over.
Yep.
Them not own we. Me not own them either. Right now the woman them start cutting man them throat and kill them and bush them straight. Cause them love this way and we must take it and move on. And we can't tell them say done until them say done. Them are not bad.
Alright, you face a woman to start beat man when time then shit?
Yes, then cock it for you cut off too.
No, sports and a bad man. Of course, sports.